It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The comfort, technology, and premium features built into this Grand Caravan make every trip feel like a vacation. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, internal audio memory, touchscreen display, 3 12-volt power outlets, manual tilting steering column, multi-speed automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, and external memory control. New car test drive rights, the Dodge Grand Caravan offers amazing versatility with one of the most convenient cabins in its class. The flexible seating, abundance of storage space, and impressive entertainment options can make life easier for busy owners. Dodge doesn't do middle of the road. Leave average in the dust. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.